So you want to go dual format. You want to live stream horizontal and vertical to YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, all of it. Great, but which software should you choose? StreamYard, Ecamm, OBS? Everyone compares features, and that's not what actually matters. After 20 years in this industry, what I know is that it's not just a choice on features and pricing, it's a choice on how it makes you feel and whether you actually show up because the workflow is right for you individually, or whether you hide away because you're frustrated and overwhelmed. If you're new to me, hi, I'm Loria Petrucci, and I help course creators and coaches create video that builds trust fast and turns viewers into buyers. So StreamYard is a browser-based solution. You don't have to download or install anything on your computer, so it's good for both Mac and PC. It's very simple to set up and use. You can be live in a few minutes. Pricing starts at $36 a month, and they have dual format backgrounds that you can add. So it automatically adjusts for vertical and horizontal. And that automatic layout vibe might be exactly what you're hoping for. Less thought for you, right? The reality of this option, though, is that because it's adapting your layouts, not designing it, you actually kind of lose control. For example, you cannot control where your camera is placed on the different layouts. It chooses that for you. If you're off center in the horizontal feed, you will be chopped off in the vertical. And you cannot choose where the comments get placed on screen. It is choosing for you. And the frustrating part about that is that when somebody views your vertical stream, if you place a comment on screen or do a poll or anything else, it's gonna get covered up by platform-specific text on screen, like the title or the chat room. And because you have no control, things can start to look really cluttered really fast. So I would recommend basically nothing on screen, which kind of defeats the purpose of using tools like this. On the other hand, Ecamm gives you the control you need for a professional look, and they do it for less than StreamYard. Plans for Ecamm start at $16 a month. This is the software I use for all of my videos, recording live streams and presentations. So instead of adapting your layout choices like StreamYard does, what Ecamm's dual mode does is let you actually design two separate outputs. One intentional layout for your horizontal YouTube audience, and a completely different intentional layout for vertical. Different graphics, different placement, all running at the same time. You're not just hoping it looks good, you know it does. Now, this is Mac only, and there is a bit more upfront thought required because you're producing a show, not just hitting a button. But it can be super simple. You can get live within minutes if you let it be simple. And especially if you have our templates, which are pre-made designs, we have already thought about what to put where and what to keep blank so that it is a good viewer experience regardless of where they watch. It's a single file, you double click that, it loads in, you customize it quickly to your brand's colors, and now you instantly have a professional looking dual format stream. Link is in the description. Ecamm is right for you if you care about your brand, you want instant credibility, and you don't want to go full tech nerd to get there. On the other hand, OBS is for the tinkerers and the geeks. It is free, open source, it works on Mac and PC, and if you want to build something beyond custom, it can work for you. But here's the deal. It has a steep learning curve, like steep. You're dealing with plugins, manual configurations, and maintenance that pretty much never ends. So if you love building systems and you want maximum control, you want to spend a lot of time playing with the software, that's your playground. If you don't, it will overwhelm you fast and you'll spend more time troubleshooting than streaming. So here is the simplest way to understand these three tools from a workflow perspective. StreamYard adapts one stream for every format. Ecamm lets you design two intentional streams at once, and OBS lets you build your own system from scratch. Now you can stop looking for the best tool because there isn't one. There's only the one that fits with how you want to create. Fast and no thought, StreamYard. Intentional and professional and you care about your brand, Ecamm. Full DIY control, OBS. Now that you understand that, you can make your decision based on how you like to operate and what will help you actually show up and go live, because that is the most important part. For me, it's Ecamm all the way. Which one is it for you? Drop it. You can get my free trial links for both StreamYard and Ecamm in the description. If you're not sure, grab a trial to both and see which one actually feels right for you. And don't forget about my pre-made templates ready to go, link in the description. But here's the deal. Picking the tool is only step one. Once you have it, you need to actually know how to use it to grow your audience, right? That's pretty important. So most streamers are leaving a massive amount of reach on the table without even realizing it. So go watch this video next. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that without doing any extra work. How does that sound?